In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly download videos from Pinterest using Google. This process is straightforward, and by the end of this guide, you'll be able to save your favorite content to enjoy offline anytime you want. To start, open your preferred web browser and navigate over to Google. You can do this on any device, whether it's your desktop, laptop, or even your smartphone. Once you're on the Google homepage, you'll notice the search bar prominently displayed right in the center. Next, type in Pinterest Video Downloader into the search bar. What we're doing here is finding a reliable tool that will assist us in downloading videos from Pinterest. Pinterest, as you might know, is a treasure trove of inspiring content, from travel videos to delightful recipe clips. However, downloading these videos directly from the platform isn't as straightforward. That's where these third-party tools come into play. These downloaders are designed specifically to bridge that gap, allowing you to save those captivating videos to your device. When your search results appear, you'll see a list of various Pinterest video downloader options. You might wonder which one to choose. Generally, look out for high ratings, positive reviews, or reputable names you might have heard of before. Click on the link of the Pinterest video downloader that appeals to you the most. It's usually a good idea to go with the one at the top of the list or one that you have seen other users recommend. Trustworthiness and ease of use are key factors here. Once you're on the downloader site, the next task is simple but crucial. Copy the link of the video you wish to download from Pinterest. You can find this link by navigating to the Pinterest video, clicking on it, then copying the URL from your browser's address bar. If you're using the Pinterest app on your phone, you can usually find a copy link option by tapping the share icon, typically represented by an arrow. With your chosen video link copied, return to the downloader site you selected earlier. There, you'll typically find a text box waiting for you to input the URL. Paste the Pinterest video link into this box. Most of these downloaders are intuitive, so as soon as you paste the link, you might see a download button appear. Select the download option, and your video file will begin saving to your device. And there you have it. You're done. The Pinterest video is now yours to watch whenever and wherever you want, even without an internet connection. This process not only lets you keep those lovely videos for personal use, but also streamlines access to your favorite content. Remember to always respect the copyrights and privacy of content creators by refraining from sharing or redistributing the videos without permission. Enjoy your newly downloaded Pinterest videos, and happy viewing.